Want faster recovery, deep muscle relief, and professional-grade performance? Discover our top 5 best massage guns, designed to melt away pain, boost performance, and bring a spa-like experience right to your home. Don't miss out. Let's get started. Item number 5. Introducing the Booster Pro 3 Massage Gun, powered by a high-performance industrial-grade brushless motor and a 24-volt lithium battery. With up to 126 watts of power, 15 kilograms of bearing pressure, and a 12mm deep stroke, it delivers intense muscle relief. Choose from 4 speeds ranging from 1300 to 3300 RPM for customized therapy. Lightweight at just 1.2 kilograms and CE certified, the Pro 3 is designed for serious recovery and deep tissue treatment. Feel the power of true performance. Item number 4. Experience powerful muscle relief with this high-energy massage gun, featuring a 4,000 mAh lithium battery and 125-watt max power. Operating at 1300 to 3300 RPM with a 10mm stroke, it's designed for full-body relaxation. The set includes 8 unique massage heads, like the air compression soft head, bullet tip, spinal head, and hot compress head, each tailored for deep tissue recovery, trigger points, and muscle relaxation. Lightweight and efficient, it's perfect for fast muscle recovery anytime. Item number 3. This powerful massage gun comes with 4 interchangeable heads, targeting various muscle groups for full-body relief. With a 2500 mAh lithium battery, it offers 4 to 6 hours of use and 3 or 20 adjustable speed settings up to 3200 RPM. Intelligent 10-minute timing and built-in safety protections ensure durability and safe operation. Perfect for post-workout recovery, injury rehabilitation, and pain relief, this lightweight massager improves blood circulation and reduces inflammation, giving you professional-grade therapy anytime, anywhere. Item number 2. Experience powerful relief with the OPOVE M3 Pro 2 Massage Gun, featuring a 12mm stroke and up to 70-pound stall force for deep tissue massage. With 5 adjustable speeds reaching up to 2500 RPM and 6 massage heads, it covers all your recovery needs. Its 2600 mAh battery offers 4 to 8 hours of runtime on a single charge. Designed with super quiet operation under 55 dB, the M3 Pro 2 ensures a peaceful yet powerful massage, perfect for fitness recovery and pain relief. Item number 1. Discover effortless relief with the OPOVE Apex Massage Gun. Featuring a 14.5mm deep stroke, 50-pound stall force, and 3 adjustable speeds, it delivers professional-grade performance. Weighing only 1.4 kilograms with a 45-degree ergonomic design, it reduces wrist fatigue and maximizes comfort. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery for over 3.5 hours of use, its high-precision structure ensures quiet, accurate massage every time. Built with premium materials and French-inspired design, the OPOVE Apex is the ultimate choice for serious recovery. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel